Clovis, I took you for a friend. And you did this to my daughter and I? Oh God, I'm hurt. Jesus, help me.
What have I done?
Olivia, please forgive me. Find a place in your heart and forgive me, please. I was carried by your brand. Like mother, like daughter. Isn't it tempting, Queen Man?
Tempting indeed. Some say early girl child, early grandchild, early grief.
And my faults are born early. For you to do this kind of heartless thing, even God will forgive you, Clovis.
Mommy Olivia, no overvex. For
Oh yes! I regret forgiving this fornicator.
I'm not talking about falling without fear. I'm talking about fall for forgive and let love
Love me. Lead to where? Look at where it has led us to. To have me and have my daughter. What the hell are you talking about?
I am talking about grace. It says to love is to forgive, and to forgive is to love.
I'm not a godly Jesus.
Mommy Olivia, you have to forgive.
You cannot forgive me.
Please. This wasn't meant to happen, it was a mistake. Please find a place in your heart.
Please don't tell me that. I cannot forgive you.
Mommy Olivia, since you want to forgive me, I'll tell you this. There is this betraying yet beloved story. It started when Judas betrayed Jesus, and the Jewish judges jealously judged him for blasphemy. As you are crying, in pain, Peter wept and wailed. As a cock crows, Christ come to pass prophecy of Peter denying 3 times. The Romans rebuked him. The friends, family, and followers followed in flooding tears and frustration to Pontius Pilate, who protested and prohibited death penalty 3 times. Yet the priests and the people proposed and progressively pressed for Christ's crucifixion.
Crucify
On seeing Christ creeping across the country with a cross, children cried, girls grieved, boys blasted, mothers mourned, men marveled, father frowned, widows and widowers wept. Yet the Romans rebuked him, the soldiers struck him, the centurion crowned his head to the pool of blood. Yet when he was about to die, he said something remarkable, that Father, forgive him. So we have to forgive his sins.
Yes.
Maya manoatinga maatarae Hamunga koma maaba miningae Ofu mafaya faz Enyinga mangasiliwa Okuma mankanga minga atarae Gisiki wa watu na maanti sabiwae Ana makamandang na anti bizae Hofuma ina boy Ivaya yulantie Itoma manatama ukada anti
Mami Olivia, Paul says in the book, so when Christ invited first came to Peter, who had denied him 3 times, and 3 times he asked Peter, do you love me? And Peter replied 3 times, yes, I do. And the Lord said, take care of my sheep. If the Son of Man will forgive us, who are we to forgive us? Forgive. Where are those days when early pregnancy used to be a curse? Nowadays, a blessing. The good news says in every situation we should give thanks to God. You know why? Because there is positivity in negativity. Remember, you have wronged someone and that person forgives you. Forgiving blessing is the best gift you can ever give yourself. So you have to forgive and let love lead. I know you are hurt now and hurt people hurt people. But remember, you are blessed. For blessed people, bless people. They say count your blessings, name them one by one, and it will surprise you to see what the Lord has done for you.
Tu es le roi des rois, tu es l'espoir de ma foi. Assemble ma veuve, oh, sans toi Seigneur, je ne vois rien, je ne suis rien, je ne comprends rien, je ne peux rien. Laisse-moi te dire merci à ma manière, Seigneur, car ta grâce déborde, oh, dans ma vie, Seigneur. Seul toi es capable d'un tel amour, Seigneur. Seule ta miséricorde, oh, me réchauffe le cœur. Je peux voir la beauté de tes merveilles dans ma vie, Seigneur, car je suis couverte de ta grâce. Je te dis merci, oui je te remercie mon Dieu, oui je te remercie du fond de mon cœur. Azambe ma veuve, gagné. Azambe ma veuve, gagné. Tu es le roi des rois, tu es l'espoir de ma foi. Azambe ma veuve, gagné. Azambe ma veuve, gagné. Azambe ma veuve, gagné. Tu es le roi des rois, tu es l'espoir de ma foi. Azambe ma veuve, gagné. Oh Zambé ma veuve, gagné. Oh Zambé ma veuve.